want to see my trees I have in my garden? Here they are. And also what other trees. And those trees also I'm standing on this because some ants are biting me. Then I think I'll just run that easier. Okay, you guys, this is one more tree we have, and this is one more tree. That's right here. And you guys, in yesterday the ball that fell here. That you guys. Did you saw that video? It is just cool. What's that on that tree? This one is beautiful. Oh, this one, you guys. Let's take a pic of a flower. What flower, you guys? I want to take this big one. Wow. You guys, I took both of these flowers. I took two. Now follow me, you guys. Follow me. I got the types of flowers. Wow, look at these. I got to take one. This side. This feels sticky. I'll just put this. Yuck! Felix, you guys. Ooh! I can't smell the smell now. Wow, I got to take these only. These ones. This one don't have some stickiness. Wait, you guys. I saw the flower in the other tree, and these flowers that you got to see there they are. That you guys, that they want one, but I can't reach. I'm afraid that how can they reach? I want that big one. I need someone to lift me. That you guys, maybe I can get something. Wait. Okay. That you guys, I can't hold the phone because I have so many flowers in my hand. I can't even get. You guys, that on my skull. I forgot it. You can put the flowers we have in the basket.